Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add language fonts in Wix. So let's start. The first, what you want to do is just like go here and click on fonts, and then like add languages, and here you're gonna select Eastern Europe, right? Click save, and then you're gonna see like all the options that you have here for Wix. So again, click here and add a language. So this is pretty much how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye.